Have you ever given up on a painting because it felt like too much work? I'm Katarina Goldberg and I'll teach you how to paint stunning illustrations easily, exciting and joyfully using one secret ingredient. First, I'll show you the basics of this watercolor technique. We'll start by painting a butterfly and you learn how to create beautiful, unique textures. This technique can actually be used for so much more than just flowers. In the next unit, we'll sketch realistic petals. We'll explore different color combinations and understand the difference between transparent and opaque paints. You'll also learn how to create a stunning transparent effect in watercolor. For the final project, we'll paint a beautiful transparent flower. I'll guide you step by step, showing you how to capture delicate details and add expressive touches to make your artwork unique. With clear instructions and easy-to-follow process, this course is perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. And to make the process of learning absolutely effortless, I added the outlines for each of the artworks so that you can transfer them onto your watercolor paper and start painting with me. Enroll today and uncover your inner artist.